grounding of housing program. దీనికి సంబంధించి starting April, going forward into the year, this would be the biggest program for the state government. This will be the biggest program going on in the districts. 15.60 lakh houses. That is the number of houses that would go in for construction. So this is one very, very important aspect. Please bear in mind. To facilitate these houses to be constructed, the most important thing is, please make sure that the layout has bore and electrification done to it. Water should be available. Without making water available at the location, at the layout, you cannot start the construction. Please bear this in mind. This is very, very important aspect. And this has got to be done very transparently. Very, very transparently, because government is not asking you to reject anybody. Government is with the people. Government wants you to help people. Every person deserving should get it. Every person who wants to take us for a ride, undeserving people, they should not get it. ఇది ఖచ్చితంగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Every collector should own it, because this is one program where it is visible in every village. So it's very important that you want to show progress, you want to show works happening, you need to focus here. So దీనికి సంబంధించి until unless collectors take review meetings periodically, every 4-5 days, ఒకసారి ఖచ్చితంగా collectors at their level should take review meetings. Joint collectors should be even more focused, JCs, on NREGS. Because most of these works are connected. Anni kuda development oriented prati work kuda, it is in a way connected to NREGS. So it's very important that collectors focus there. One very important aspect is, by April 15th kalla, all the schools lo mottam works, including the painting, that is the only thing what is left out, will be completed. Ani education secretary is reassuring me. Towards this month end, we will dedicate the entire 15,715 first phase schools to the people, and we will start the second phase of Nadu Nedu schools towards this month end. In the meanwhile, what I am requesting, what I'd like to request all the collectors is, constitute one third-party inquiry by SERP, self-help groups though, so that they visit every school, they give you a report as to Nadu Nedu programs law, is everything done or not. Just in case something is just missed out in some school here and there, we can also make sure that focus is put so as to make sure that everything is done by the time we launch the second phase at the end of April. So that we also can be doubly sure that we've done everything is properly put in order, everything is in order.